This 2024 Winnebago Micro Mini 2100BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, oven, awning, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, TV, LP detector, microwave, skylight, auxiliary battery, external shower, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Winnebago Micro Mini 2100BH is 4,049 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.